Did you study well at school? Here is the main question right here, because a lot of students might be saying, hey mister, this is the easiest challenge you've ever seen. Okay, but a lot of students, in the same way, a lot of students solve this challenge absolutely incorrect. So right now, here is the main question to you. What is the correct answer? A, B, and C. So choose one option. What do you think is the correct answer to this challenge? But I give 99% that you solve this question absolutely incorrect, because this is a very tricky challenge, and a lot of students solve this challenge randomly. A lot of students solve this challenge wherever they want, and it turns into a big argument. A lot of students arguing with each other about a correct answer. So right now, let's try to solve it. First of all, I want to say the most common solution. A lot of students solve this question like that. So we have 8 divided by 2 divided by 8 divided by 2. A lot of students say, okay, right here 8 divided by 2 equal to 4, and right here we have the same division, 8 divided by 2 equal to 4, and a lot of students say, okay, 4 divided by 4 equal to 1, and we have our answer. This is option A. A lot of students say, okay, Mr. Correct answer is A 100%, and I go to the next question, and it turns into a big argument. A lot of students arguing with each other because one part of students say this is incorrect solution, another part of students tell that this is a correct solution, and right now I want to show you a correct solution. So 100% this is a correct solution. So I'm going to show you how can you solve it correctly. So in this second interpretation, I want you to remember or understand or learn about a correct order of operation. Okay, in our case, a correct order of operation is PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All popular internet libraries works according to this PEMDAS order of operation, and right now, let's remember, let's learn, let's understand how that this PEMDAS works. PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. So first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses, next we should evaluate exponents, next we should evaluate multiplication division part, and the last step is addition and subtraction part. So highest priority parentheses, lowest priority addition, subtraction. So here's the main thing. And right now let's scan what do we have in our challenge, because obviously if we look closely from according to this PEMDAS, we have a lot of elements, and right now let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge. First of all, parentheses. Let's scan. I don't see any parentheses. We don't have any of those, so we just skip this part. We don't have any parentheses. What about exponents? Maybe we have powers. Maybe we have exponents right here. 2 squared, 2 cubed. I don't have any of those. We don't have any exponents, so we just skip this part. What about multiplication division part? Let's look at it. I don't have any multiplication sign. We don't have any multiplication sign, so we just skip this part also. Yeah, and we have a lot of division signs right here. So right here we have a lot of division signs, so this is our case. Moreover, we don't have addition, we don't have subtraction sign. So this is really great and important moment right now, because we have only division signs. And right now, let's think a little bit about this order of operation. So as you can see right here, we have only division part. And right now, let's scan what is the first sign from left to right, because we can't solve this challenge randomly, and according to PEMDAS, we need to work with this from left side to right side. So here's our left side, and here's our right side. First sign from left to right is this division. So as you can see, completely the same step as we solved it before. So before we divided 8 divided by 4. So according to PEMDAS, this step is absolutely the same. So we have 8 divided by 2 equal to 4, and we still have this expression. So as you can see, difference with about this method and this method, it's about the the order we do this problem. So right now we rewrite this expression. Yeah, we rewrite this expression, and right now we still have this division sign, and we scan once more what is the first sign from left to right, because before we jump from left hand side to right hand side, and according to PEMDAS we need to scan what is the first sign from left to right. According to PEMDAS, a correct first sign from left to right, it is division. So 4 divided by 8 equal to 1/2, and with this division by 2 we have 1/4. Yeah, so we have 1/4, and this is option C, and it turns into a big argument. A lot of students say that correct answer is 1/4. A lot of students say that correct answer is 1, and it turns into a big argument. A lot of students confused. A lot of students say that correct answer is 1. A lot of students correct answer 1/4. And here's my answer. Okay, what about this approach? This is very bad approach in terms of math, because we solve this challenge randomly. We just solve this challenge whatever we want. But if you put parentheses right here with parentheses, this is a correct solution, because then we should evaluate the expression right here, 4, and then we can jump. So where do we have this parenthesis? We need to jump to this place. So we have 8 divided by 4 equal to 4, 8 divided by 2 equal to 4, and with the division in the middle we have 1. So with parentheses, this is a great solution. But in our case, we don't have parentheses. So a correct solution is 1/4. from left to right, step by step. You can also check this answer in your calculator. You can also use your regular calculator. You can easily check it, but sometimes those type of calculators work with problem as you type it in. So try to find a calculator where you can plug in the whole entire problem, and then a calculator is smart enough to know about order of operation. A lot of calculators work with this problem correctly, and step by step you can also check your answer. So the correct answer is option C to this challenge. I hope your answer is the same as mine, and I wanted to record this video because a lot of students forget about the order of operation, a lot of students confused, a lot of students solve this challenge absolutely incorrect, so I hope you understand my explanation.